Life often brings challenges that can feel overwhelming, but the Bible reminds us that God is our refuge and strength. Here are 5 powerful verses to bring you comfort and peace in difficult times. Psalm 34:18. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. When we feel heartbroken, God is near us, offering healing and restoration. Isaiah 41:10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. No matter what you face, God's presence and strength are always with you. 2 Corinthians 1:3-4. Praise be to the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ, the Father of compassion and the God of all comfort, who comforts us in all our troubles, so that we can comfort those in any trouble with the comfort we ourselves receive from God. God not only comforts us, but enables us to be a source of comfort to others. Matthew 11:28. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Jesus invites us to find rest in Him, no matter how heavy our burdens feel. Revelation 21:4. He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death, or mourning, or crying, or pain, for the old order of things has passed away. A beautiful promise of eternal peace and comfort in God's presence. No matter what you're going through, God's love and presence remain constant. Lean on Him, find strength in His promises, and know that He will never leave you alone. May these verses bring you peace and hope in every season of life.